Web hosting refers to the service that enables websites to be accessible on the internet. It involves storing website files on a server, which is a physical computer connected to the internet, and making them available for users to access through a web browser. When choosing a web host, there are several factors to consider, such as uptime, speed, customer support, security, and pricing. Here are 15 things you should know about web hosting. 1. Types of web hosting. There are several types of web hosting, including shared hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated hosting, cloud hosting, and managed hosting. 2. Uptime. Uptime refers to the percentage of time a server is operational. A good web host should have an uptime of at least 99%. 3. Speed. Page loading speed is crucial for user experience and search engine rankings. Choose a web host with fast servers and optimized software. 4. Customer support. Look for a web host with reliable customer support that is available 24/7 via phone, email, and live chat. 5. Security. Ensure your web host provides regular backups, SSL certificates, and firewalls to protect your website from cyber threats. 6. Scalability. Choose a web host that can accommodate your website's growth as it expands in size and traffic. 7. Pricing. Compare the pricing plans of different web hosts and choose one that fits your budget while providing the necessary features. 8. Control panel. A user-friendly control panel makes it easy to manage your website's settings and configurations. 9. Add-ons. Some web hosts offer additional services such as domain registration, website builders, and email hosting at an extra cost. 10. Server location. Choose a server location that is closest to your target audience for faster page loading times. 11. Bandwidth. Ensure your web host provides sufficient bandwidth to handle your website's traffic without slowing down or crashing the server. 12. Database support. If your website uses a database management system like MySQL or PostgreSQL, ensure your web host supports it. 13. Content management system CMS compatibility. If you use a CMS like WordPress or Joomla, choose a web host that provides one-click installations and optimized configurations for your CMS. 14. Money-back guarantee. Some web hosts offer money-back guarantees if you are not satisfied with their services within a certain period. Reputation. Research the reputation of the web host before signing up by reading online reviews and ratings from other users' experiences.